Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the SecuX V20 crypto wallet, a premium hardware wallet designed for secure cryptocurrency management. The SecuX V20 is celebrated for its military-grade security features, ease of use, and compatibility with a wide range of digital assets. This video takes you through its features, functionality, and how you can get started with this state-of-the-art device. The SecuX V20 boasts a robust design, featuring a sleek metallic finish that provides durability while maintaining portability. With its large 2.8-inch touchscreen, users can navigate the wallet's interface effortlessly. The device supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ERC20 tokens, ensuring flexibility for diverse portfolios. It integrates seamlessly with desktop and mobile platforms via Bluetooth or USB, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced crypto users. After unboxing the SecuX V20, the setup process is straightforward. Begin by connecting the wallet to your computer or mobile device. Download and install the SecuX app to pair your wallet securely. Create a PIN code and back up your recovery phrase to protect against loss or theft. This ensures that even if your device is misplaced, your funds remain secure. Once the initial setup is complete, you can easily transfer cryptocurrency to the SecuX V20. Use the app to generate your wallet address, which can be scanned or copied for transactions. Thanks to its cold storage capabilities, your private keys are stored offline, significantly reducing the risk of hacking. The wallet also features advanced tamper-proof measures, ensuring your crypto assets remain safeguarded. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For additional security, the SecuX V20 includes a customizable transaction verification process. You can visually confirm transaction details on the device's screen before authorizing them. This eliminates the risks associated with malware or phishing attacks during the transfer process. Ready to secure your digital future with the SecuX V20? Check out the sign-up link in the description to access exclusive bonuses for new users. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth crypto wallet reviews and tutorials, and give this video a like if you found it helpful.